Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasir the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. So guys, welcome back with another amazing and interesting video. In this video, I am going to explain how you can download YouTube videos using your YouTube application and how you can adjust the settings related to your YouTube download. So keep watching this video up till end. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, you open your YouTube application. Here it is, and these are some of the random videos which are being shown automatically. Go to subscription. This is my channel. For example, if you want to download this video for the future usage, so at the title of the channel below there are like and dislike button, share button. Scroll left, there is the option named download. If you click this download button, your video will be downloaded to your phone memory, and you can watch these downloaded videos at any time without data usage, without the use of Wi-Fi network. So one time data is used and video will be saved to your memory. If you want to watch downloaded videos, at the bottom of the application most right corner, click library, and there is a second option, downloads, and here you can see the download is being done and the download is complete. And this is the way by which you can download your videos on YouTube application easily. And at the bottom of these there are recommended downloads. And now how to keep check and balance on these settings. Click your account, click settings, click downloads, and here are some settings related to the downloads. First of all, there is download quality. There are different options. It is 720p by default, and you can set it as per your requirement, and the data will be charged accordingly. So 720 is recommended. The second option, you can click whether you download videos over the Wi-Fi or you can use your data, mobile data. So it is recommended to download over Wi-Fi only. If you want to hide recommended downloads, click this button off. If you want to delete all of your downloads, click delete all. So if you click, the app asks for the confirmation. You whether cancel it or you delete these downloads. And here is the last, the available memory space of your application. So I turned off the network downloads, and you can see the downloaded video can be played without any network, without any Wi-Fi, without any internet connection. So, and you can play these downloaded videos multiple times, and you can see I have turned off the recommended downloads, so there are no recommended downloads option at the bottom of these downloads. So I hope that's enough for today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.